Sai Ram, Sai Sham, Sai Ram, Sai Sham.
Jai Sai Ram. Today I want to ask a very beautiful question to Dijan. I want to actually ask her that so many healers have been created over such a short period of time. We are almost like over 1100 healers. So I want to know exactly as to how do you think Didi each and every healer today has benefited from Reiki? How is it Reiki changed their lives? Is what I would like to know.
Om Sai Ram, and I'm very excited to hear the question because it's coming from one of my very senior healers. So I think I should not be answering this question since we're having a happy healer conversation. Why don't you answer how it has changed your life? And I think that should be the biggest testimony to what healing does.
Reiki has been very, very beautiful for me. I mean, right from the day that I was initiated into, the cosmic energies, I felt something. It's like how a bud starts to flower. It's how I felt my emotions growing. It starts to get you very grounded. It's a very different feel. You start feeling very special. Not only because today you're a healer, you are a very stable person inside from what you used to be. I mean, we all know what we were and what we are today. And I just feel that you get more compassionate towards people when you meet, even when it could be small, a small beggar on the road. Earlier on, you would look at them and you would be yes, you would feel sorry, but today you're compassionate and you want to get up and do something for them rather than just sit around and just think of okay, oh, life is tough for them, so what. So in that sense, I think there's been a great transformation. Also, I feel when it comes to, we all go through various tests in day-to-day life. It could be your kids, it could be your husband, it could be anything at all. And earlier I feel my thought process was such that I would get anxious very fast, extremely fast, and I would not know, I would run helter-skelter just to make, get charge of the situation. Today I just accept it because Dijan very beautifully says that every challenge that comes into your life is important for you to evolve spiritually, for you to grow spiritually. If the challenge is not there, you're not growing. So today, whenever something like that happens, I accept it calmly and then I take it forward as yes, it is important for my spiritual growth and what is the best I can give to the situation rather than getting upset, rather than getting anxious, rather than shouting, screaming, saying once again I'm into some sort of a problem. It's not that. I think it's so beautiful how it changes you.
So you've answered it all, no? I didn't have to say much.
Yeah.
I think every single healer, if we just get around and start interviewing and talking to every healer, there is so much that we will have to share. So much transforms inside us with the very process of initiation.
Yes.
See, becoming a healer starts with that one sacred process of attunement or initiation when Baba flows through me into you. And that is where the karmic baggage is shed. The subtle body just burns away. And there's a huge transformation that happens.
Yes.
People think becoming a healer is about just going and healing other people. They don't realize that healer means first I get healed, I get cleansed, I get purified, I get energized, I get empowered. When all of that happens to me, then I give it out to somebody else. So what you've shared is beautiful. We are all calmer, we are happier, we are more vibrant.
Yes.
Problems don't scare us. There is more compassion in us. We can deal with our issues much better. So in every which way, the energy is very beautiful. And since there are the three of us sitting here today, I'd like another very senior healer sitting here, Ekta, to share your experience also with us. How do you feel becoming a healer has changed your life, your world?
Jai Sai Ram. So Ma, from where I started to where I have come, I feel, yes, Reiki did make me calm. There was this very, very beautiful experience that I had. Reiki gave me the strength. Actually, it made me meet the worst of my times with a bright smile on my face. So, as I became the Reiki healer, I felt the calmness just going through me. And yes, the problems of life did not deter me more. In the middle of storm, as Dee always talks about, just stay calm and stay composed. And every solution Baba is going to bless you with. So that's what happened with me, and I'm sure with so many of us. And that's the beauty of being Baba's healer.
I must add here, on a lighter note, that this beautiful girl sitting here once called me up and asked me that when I send healing to others, when I get up after that, am I imagining it, ma, or do I really glow more? We actually glow more. People think we put on makeup to glow. No, we don't. There is inherent light inside us, the light of Baba, the light of his energies. What we do is not pure Reiki. Reiki is our discipline. But what we are doing here is Baba's energy. What we are using here, what is flowing through us is all of Sai Baba of Shirdi. And in all his cosmic abundance, all his powers. So when a human body is showered and showered and showered with his grace, his love, his energies, you can just imagine the body becomes a temple. We no longer stay human. We become sacred spaces that hold Baba. And a sacred space cannot be messy, cannot be dirty. It has to be pure, plain, clean, beautiful.
Yes.
So I think we are happy as healers.
We are absolutely, we are glowing.
Glowing as healers.
Glowing and growing.
It's a
Yes.
natural glow.
Yeah.
It's a natural glow that comes when you are here.
And yes, I would like the entire world to experience this. I want everybody to know how special it is to hold God inside your physical body in the highest vibration with the highest experiences, to feel your hands warming up, your palms warming up, your chakras spinning, the aura around you strengthening and becoming so strong and powerful that nothing touches you. This is an experience nobody should miss in this lifetime. So we are happy healers.
We are happy healers.
Yes, we are.
Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Sai Sham.